Share Stonebwoy. Brand now build you know. Say a tough. So money, maybe say the managers of the artists no, either they are incompetent or they are stupid. Excuse my language. Because only maybe the brand Stonebwoy has built, only the only musicians I can stand out and say he can win Grammy Award for Ghana. And that means no worse. You know me, I'm a guru when it comes to the entertainment industry. So we share the song arrangements. The way he does, how deep he is. He is one person, the originality, no, it transcends beyond the borders of Ghana. And his consistency in churning out music upon music. But then say, your attitude shows you are immature, Stonebwoy. Now me feel say Shatawale is immature, but as if say who suya no, who suya Shatawale. Shatawale kura aye quiet. Because only be Shatta me na kasa amu who say it is time to be a man. Stonebwoy, why are you being a boy? I say some boy na wo stone when I say ye yifi. How can you tell me say woni Shatawale kura boma o maame e samai? Why like I say samai wo baby? Stonebwoy, I thought you were wise. But this is no. Share. What does it pay to hold on to rivalry? It doesn't do anything. Okayanka said, Has and Kotoko can never be one. Who told you? Ghana Blaster said, boy, Kotoko players in him. Has players in him. Are they not one? Don't be stupid. We need to move beyond egoism and stupid rivalry. We don't need it. Ghana do baby yenya stars and then gone are the days upeja sakwa de penwana no and then your black one Sheriff your Kiddy your Eugene your Shatta your Stonebwoy your people who can stand on stage and fill stadiums. Now the only thing that is lacking in Ghana for Ghana to progress is a collaboration. Oko Nigeria Whiskey on any Davido, they can collaborate. But Ghana, stupid rivalry is destroying our music. Stonebwoy, it's time you calm down. Unu bebiae. Sa kasa bebrebe no. I think you are becoming too pompous. And I said you think you've now outgrown Ghana. You haven't. The moment you see yourself like that, that will be the day that you start coming down. Me, I'm telling you as a brother, you need to stand up and be wise.